You'll grow hair where you don't have any. Don't use it too much because it will grow too much. Start by cutting an onion with peel and skin into the shape you want. Onions for hair have antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and hair growth stimulating properties, making them an ideal choice to add to your hair care routine. We will also use 5 peeled and washed garlic cloves. These we will cut into slices. Garlic promotes blood circulation to the scalp and stimulates hair growth. It has antimicrobial and antifungal activity, which reduces the appearance of dandruff and also nourishes the hair fiber to prevent thinning. Now we join the garlic with all the onion and add 200 milliliters olive oil. We transfer our jar to a saucepan and add 2 cups of water. We leave it in for 15 minutes. I recommend applying this oil 3 times a week for best results. If you like more hair growth remedies, type below yes, I need more.